Hey everyone, today my delicious recipe, sweet recipe. This is a famous Kerala Nei Appam recipe. This is very easy. We can do this recipe with 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of jaggery. So, very few drops of ghee I am using here. Take 1 cup of raw rice and wash it 2 times. Then pour water and soak for 3 hours. Keep aside. After 3 hours, take 1 cup of jaggery and half cup of water. Rice and jaggery should be equal quantity. Measurementing by a cup. Once melted, stove off, then cool down the jaggery syrup. Now check the rice soaked well. Strain the rice, then leave for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, transfer to a mixer jar, then grind fine powder. Sieve that powder. You have to grind 2 to 3 times, then only you will get fine powder. At the end, some suji particles is there. Put that suji into the mixer jar. Then take 3 ripe banana. These are small one. If you have big size, use 2 only. And add required jaggery syrup. I pour half of the jaggery syrup and add 2 to 3 cardamom pods. Then grind fine paste. Transfer the rice flour into a bowl. Then add ground paste. Mix well. Before that, you can add 1 pinch of salt. This is very thick. Now add the rest of the jaggery syrup. It's required 1 cup equal quantity of rice and jaggery. This is perfect sweetness it will give. Now mix well. Immediately we can do this recipe. No need to wait some other time. This should be like dosa batter. Now add some seasoning to this. For that, add 2 to 3 teaspoon of ghee, then pieces of fresh coconut, not dried coconut. I am using here fresh coconut only. When it turns to golden color, then add with ghee to the batter. Now take this type of vessel. I think everybody is having this type of vessel at your home. Then add a few drops of ghee and add the batter. It will be very soft. You can keep this recipe for 2 to 3 days outside of the fridge. Then close and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then turn it. Flame should be in the slow, less medium. After turning, again close and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I am using here non-stick vessel. Now perfectly cooked. You can observe this. It is very easy. Within 3 to 4 hours we can make this recipe. Only 3 to 4 ingredients. Make this recipe and enjoy this recipe. Children will like surely. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more delicious videos and recipes. Please give a like and comment about this recipe. Thank you for watching.